Myth number 2. The case created the right to counsel. That is not true. Of course, your right to counsel comes from the Sixth Amendment. But the Sixth Amendment applied only to federal proceedings. It did not apply to state proceedings. What Gideon said is that the right to counsel does apply to state proceedings through the 14th Amendment. Myth number 2, or number 3 now. The lawyer is always free. I urge you to watch an episode that was produced by John Oliver talking about public defenders and how the system works in many different states. I will tell you, the free lawyer is not always free. In fact, some states ask for you to then reimburse the state after the case. So try to understand the system that you're working in, because again, if you're poor, you might not always be getting a free lawyer. You might be getting one in appearance, but at the end, you will be paying for one. So again, some of the states, in fact, undermine the decision in Gideon because you end up paying for the lawyer. Myth number 4. Gideon was the first case to challenge denial of counsel. That is not true. Of course, in Powell versus Alabama, the Supreme Court said that the state has to provide a free lawyer in capital cases. And then we have the case Betts. Betts versus Brady. In Betts, the Supreme Court said that the states only need to provide counsel under special circumstances.